I am Vijin from Kerala. My topic is a comparative study on the level of water pollution at various places of River Nayar in Neyatingara Taluk of Trivandrum district in Kerala. Under the focal theme, Planet Earth, Our Home, Explore, Care and Share. My subtheme is Noosphere, that's a human influence on environment. Water, the elixir of life, has put a question mark in front of human races today. The need for the fresh water is increasing day by day, but its sources is depleting. In this context, we had selected our topic. Nayar is the southernmost river of Kerala, but it is now facing the pollution. There were newspaper reports about the pollution of River Nayar frequently. So we had made a hypothesis that the River Nayar is severely polluted, and through this study we are aiming to find out the various level of pollution, to find out the various pollutants of this River Nayar, to find out the relation between human activities and river pollution, to suggest workout remedials and controlling measures to save the river, to find out the changes in the river due to this river pollution. First of all, we had selected 5 points on the course of this River Nayar, which had a length of more than 56 kilometers. These 5 points are the Panda, Arivikara, Neyatingara, Pua Bridge and Pua Canal mouth. You can see in these charts. So from these 5 points, we had collected water samples during the southwest monsoon season and after the southwest monsoon season. And these samples were tested with the help of Kerala State Pollution Control Board District Laboratory. We had tested the parameters like temperature, pressure, color, etc. on the site. Another parameters like hydrogen ion concentration or the pH, turbidity, alkalinity, electrical conductivity, chloride, fluoride, TC or the total coliform, DO or the dissolved oxygen, iron, then BOD or the biochemical oxygen demand, turbidity, etc. with the help of Kerala State Pollution Control Board District Lab. So from our result, it is found out that the downstream structure of the river is severely polluted than the upstream structures. Extremely high number of coliform bacteria are found in all these 5 points. And also from our survey, it is found out that 80% of these people are living in the river bank more than 20 years, and 18% of these people are directly consuming this river water for drinking purpose, this fecal contaminated water for drinking purpose. And 48% of these people admitted that they are directly dumping waste into this river, and 40% of the people admitted that slaughterhouse waste and poultry waste are dumped in this river. So we had also conducted an interview with the doctor of primary health center relating the topic water pollution and its health problems. To save the River Nayar, we have suggested to implement biogas plant to prevent or to collectively convert the bio waste of this particular area into precious fuel. And we had found out that the most important solid pollutant of this River Nayar is the plastic. So we want to establish such a plan to convert the whole plastic waste into precious fuel like in Nagpur. And we also suggested to implement strict laws to prohibit the sand mining and also this pollution of this River Nayar, that is dumping of waste in this River Nayar. And every hospital should want to install their own incinerators, because from our observation it is found out that the hospital waste are dumped in this river. So to process this hospital waste, we want to establish or we want to give incinerators to every hospitals. And as our follow-up activities, we had conducted a school-level seminar on the topic water pollution and its after effects. Because most of the students are coming from the bank of this river, and for conducting a seminar like this can make aware about the serious after effects of this river pollution. We had also conducted a poster competition on the topic water pollution, and a model of this poster is given. And so much, more than 20 to 25 posters are prepared there, and these posters were used for awareness campaign in the poor region where the rate of pollution is very severe. We had also prepared leaflets, and these leaflets were also used for awareness programs. We had also conducted awareness program in this region and also submitted memorandum to the head of Neyyatingra municipality and to the Thirupuram, Puvar and Maranallu Grama Panchayat. Through this, the river is flowing. We are also planning to submit a detailed report of our study to the state government for further study and implementation. We are expressing our sincere gratitude to all those who help us to study this project. And we also conserve the water because we all know that water is the elixir.